These Rolex fanboys and influencers are really full of it. And we're going to have a little quick discussion and demonstrate how full of it they are. I've been slamming them lately on their comments because most of them, I'd say 95%, have no idea how manufacturing is done. So we're going to take a Rolex watch. So if you ask your chat GPT how many parts does a Rolex Mariner have, I forgot what serial number total, it'll say 256 parts. We're going to pick one part off of one Submariner, and we're going to call it a little screw. Now, these screws are made in screw machines. You don't want to use you want to use cam operated ones because they are faster. So one part to be made in a cam operated screw machine can be done in 15 seconds. One part on a Strom M25. So I know these influencers know nothing about this, so we're going to just show you how dumb they are when they keep showing you only like 40 artisans making the watches. Where do the parts come from? So 15 seconds, you'll get one screw. And this is the raw screw, not polished, not burnished, nothing, just the screw. So they did 1.2 million watches. Let's just say we're going to make 1 million of one screw. Okay, now are they all going to use the same screw? No, but it makes it my point, even more important because you have to do setup for all the different screws. So it'll take even longer. But let's just use 1 million instead of the 1.2 million watches. So if it does 1 in 15 seconds, then we divide this by 4 to get a total that is done in like 1 minute. Now we have 250,000 minutes. Now let's divide that by 60. And now we have 4,166 hours that this machine has to run to make the 1 million parts. Now let's divide that by a 40-hour work week that this machine is running. Comes out to 2 years almost. So if you have one machine running to make one part, 40 hours a week, you have that one machine running for 2 years almost to make one of 256 parts. If they don't show you a room full of 40 or 50 screw machines running, blazing all day and all night, they're not making 1.2 million watches. So South Park is right. They're made in China. A lot of stuff is made in China because only China has that kind of scale to make these kind of watches. And this you could tell to your little fanboys, they can't argue with the calculator. It just is the way it is.